Hello, everybody. I think today we have a live session, although we are only two, me and Ustad Mahmoud from Jeddah University. And I'm recording this session for you so that you can review it whenever you have time. I will share this one on the platform. Actually, as you have already seen, this course is 2 weeks fully online and flexible course, and you will have 8 different modules. From module 0, from module 1 to 5, we will have the normal content of the course. Module 0 will be a kind of introduction, and as you can see, it will contain the overview, the privacy agreement, the frequently asked questions, academic integrity agreement, and track your assignment. And then we have a greater syllabus with marks. I think the time is already up for this, but if you have not yet done it, we can extend it for you so that you can do it. The other content is the pre-content reflection, which is all about a question or a problem that you want to anticipate. If there is anything you think is a problem for you, then you just fill it in the form. And for your information, the problems we fill here will appear on module 4, which will be one of the things that we are going to learn in week 2. So the other content of module 0 is going to be Padlet introduction, and this will have marks. You have to complete this one on time. And I think its time also is up for now, but if there is anyone who wants to do it again, you can contact me. In the Padlet introduction, you have to post a Padlet post in here, as you can see. As you can see, this is the Padlet introduction. We already have a couple of people who have posted their names, their photos, and their experiences and anything they wanted to share with us. So this is the Padlet introduction, and this is where you have to post your Padlet information. And to do so, you just click on this sign, then you will see the add a post. Then you have to click on the subject and give a subject. You can say hi, you can say welcome, you can write your name, whatever. Then you can add a picture. If you like, you can add a picture of yours, and that's also recommendable so that people will know you from your picture, from the picture. So the other thing that you have to write on the Padlet introduction is going to be a description about you. You can talk about your name. You can talk about which department you are working as a university faculty, and then from which university you are, and maybe what your experience is and what your hobbies are, what you like to do at your spare time. So when you finish, then you just click on publish. Now publish is disabled because I have not yet written anything. But when you complete those things, then you just click on publish, and your post will be posted in that way. So this is the way you can post a Padlet in here. So when you complete this, there is a requirement for you to complete still. On the completion statement, you have to copy and paste whatever information you have posted on the Padlet information on the Padlet. The other requirement for this assignment is to welcome maybe two participants. You can grade them, you can ask them questions, you can add some information to them. Just you have to comment on 2 peer Padlets. Then these 2 requirements have to be fulfilled for this assignment. Then after that, you come to here, you copy and paste whatever you have posted on the Padlet, on the Padlet post, and then you also say for whom you have given the comment. You just click, you just write the names. So that's what you need to do on the Padlet introduction. The other thing on first week is going to be module 1, on which we are talking about online student success. You might have already accessed the content, and you might have already read the content and have seen all the contents. In here, we will talk about understanding the pedagogy, student demographics, online student support, design for accessibility and inclusion. And we have 1 graded quiz on this module, and you have to do this module 2. So on module 2, which the last of this week's content is going to be course content and course quality. In here, you will learn about quality matters. You will learn about learning objectives and how to align learning objectives with the course contents. Then in here, we have two different assignments. The first one is a quiz, and it's a graded quiz. And the other one is a course content alignment worksheet. On here, in this, the facilitator must mark or must grade. And after the completion of the grade, you will see your marks, and that's going to be the end of first week. So in the first week, you have learned all those contents. And if you had any questions, please don't hesitate to communicate me. You can use the WhatsApp group. I have already created a WhatsApp group, and I have shared the QR code and the link with you in an email. But I think I have not yet seen anyone join that group. You can join that group if you want to ask questions, and maybe if you want to acquire more information. Okay, about the remaining week. On the remaining week, we will start from module 3, which will be effective student interactions, and module 4 will be all about course design and content development, and module 5 will be instructor presence and action plan. So these are the 3 remaining modules. The remaining module 6, 7, and 8 are optional, and module 6 will be all about final evaluation. If you have anything to say about what you have learned, maybe if you have suggestions, if you have comments or more questions on the course, then you can go for the final evaluation. And module 7 will be optional assignment-free submission. For this course, for someone to complete the course and get the certificate, you have to score 80% of all assessments. And don't confuse with the completion of the course. Sometimes you see the completion of the course, which can be more than 80, but the grades should be could be less than 80. And sometimes you have to make sure that you are looking at the grades, not the course completion rate. So for someone to complete the course, you have to score 80%. And if you have completed the course and if you don't have 80% score, you can go for module 8, and then you can select one of the assignments, and then you can redo them. You have to download them in your computer, do them, and then you have to send it to me. Then we have to evaluate it again, and then you may reach the cut point, which is 80%, and then in that way you can complete and get your certificate. So this is all about the upcoming. This is all about the upcoming modules and the upcoming content of the course. Then if you have any questions, as I've already said, you can communicate. You can just communicate by email, or you can use the WhatsApp group, or you can use the community forum on this platform. Let me show you how to access the community forum. As you can see, we have the welcome module, the welcome part of the course. Here we have a community forum discussion. Then you can click on this community forum for discussion, and then you can post anything you like. You can add a post, you can make it a question, or you can make it, for example, if you want to add a post, click on this, then you see it inquires you to ask a question, or you have to maybe make a discussion. Then you give a subject, a very clear and understandable descriptive title. Then you, for example, you can say Bloom's taxonomy. Then if you want to talk about Bloom's taxonomy, then you can say whatever idea you want to say in Bloom's taxonomy, then you write the content, and then you click on post or submit. When you click submit, it will be displayed here, and everybody will be looking at it. Then if you have questions, you can use this community forum, or you can use the WhatsApp group, or you can email me. Then that's all about I would like to say today, because there is no one except Mahmoud. I think I would like to stop it here. Ustad Mahmoud, do you have anything to say?
Okay. Actually, I don't have. Rather than I appreciate, I would like to express my appreciation on your deep, clear explanation about how to operate the courses as well as its modules. I deeply thank you. That's enough. I will try to participate profoundly next time by Allah's permission.
Good, good. Thank you very much. And maybe we just stop here, and maybe we have another live session on next week. It will be the same day, the same time. I expect more people to join at that time so that you can talk about whatever is remaining, and maybe if there are any issues, then you can raise. So for now, thank you very much and see you.
Thank you.